आज हम लोग जानेंगे विलोम शब्दों के बारे में। बॉय, गर्ल, and, or, all, none, alone, together, always, never, above, below, across and through, arrive, the part, before, after, began, and, big, small, black, white, brave, fearful, brother, sister, calm, excited, clean, dirty, correct, incorrect, deep, shallow, dry, wet, early, late, during, before, east, west, easy, difficult, fast, slow, father, mother, first, last, forward, backward, friend, enemy, front, back, full, empty, good, bad, happy, unhappy, hard, soft, healthy, sick, heavy, light, helpful, harmful, here, there, inside, outside. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for